Have you ever wondered how the ancient pyramids were built with such precision? These colossal structures, found in disparate corners of the globe, are marvels of human ambition and ingenuity. Their grandeur is a testament to the civilizations that painstakingly erected them, often with nothing more than sheer human strength and primitive tools. These architectural triumphs continue to captivate us, offering a glimpse into the past and the profound mysteries it holds. It all started over 4,500 years ago in the land of the Pharaohs. Our journey begins in Egypt, where Pharaoh Djoser commissioned the construction of the first pyramid over 4,500 years ago. The Step Pyramid, as it's known, with its six-tier, four-sided structure, was a marvel of engineering and architecture. This unique design, a departure from the traditional rectangular mastabas, was a bold move towards a new architectural form, the pyramid. This marked the beginning of an era of pyramid construction, an era that would continue to fascinate and baffle us for millennia. But how did they build these colossal structures, you might wonder? Well, the answer lies in the remarkable engineering techniques employed by the ancient Egyptians. The pyramids were built with an astonishing precision that still baffles experts today. Imagine aligning a massive edifice, covering several acres, to true north with an accuracy better than 1/10 of a degree. That's akin to hitting a bullseye from a mile away with a dart. Now consider the scale of the building materials. Each pyramid was constructed using massive stone blocks, some weighing as much as 2.5 elephants. Yet these blocks were not just randomly placed. They were strategically arranged in a way that allowed the pyramids to withstand the test of time. These innovative construction techniques, coupled with the sheer determination and ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians, made the creation of the pyramids possible. These techniques allowed for the construction of some of the most impressive structures in human history. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the largest of all, still captivates us with its size and precision. Rising from the desert sands, this ancient marvel was built with over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. The pyramid was a testament to the Pharaoh Khufu's power and his desire for immortality. Despite centuries of exploration, it still holds secrets yet to be unraveled. Its sheer grandeur leaves us in awe and wonder. Over the years, the pyramids have been shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Their monumental size and precise construction have sparked countless theories, each more captivating than the last. Some hypothesize extraterrestrial involvement, suggesting that such grandeur could not be achieved by human hand alone. This theory, while controversial, has found a niche of followers who believe in the advanced technological capabilities of otherworldly beings. Meanwhile, others are drawn to the idea of hidden chambers within these colossal structures. Tales of undiscovered rooms filled with ancient treasures and secrets have fueled the imaginations of historians and adventurers alike. Recent technological advancements have even allowed us to peer into these structures without disturbing their integrity, revealing tantalizing glimpses of what might lie within. These theories, while fascinating, only add to the allure of these ancient structures. They speak to the enduring human desire for knowledge, mystery, and the quest to understand the seemingly impossible. The pyramids, standing tall against the test of time, continue to inspire awe and curiosity. These magnificent structures, etched into the annals of human history, are as much a part of our present as they were of the ancient world. They serve as silent storytellers, narrating tales of a civilization that was remarkably advanced for its time, and a culture deeply rooted in religion, astronomy, and the afterlife. The ongoing preservation efforts for these ancient wonders are a testament to their enduring significance. Conservationists and archaeologists around the globe are working tirelessly, not merely to protect these structures from the ravages of time and climate change, but also to glean more insights from them. Every stone, every inscription, each hidden chamber within these ancient tombs holds the potential to unlock a new piece of the puzzle. In the present day, the pyramids continue to shape our cultural landscape. They influence modern architecture, inspire countless works of literature and film, and are a beacon for tourists from around the world. The pyramids are more than just monuments from the past. They are a living, breathing part of our global heritage. Our exploration of the pyramids' mysteries is far from over. With every new discovery, we gain a deeper understanding of our past and a greater appreciation for the ingenuity and ambition of our ancestors. As we continue to unravel the secrets of these ancient wonders, we are reminded of the remarkable achievements of our ancestors.